Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast Hustle and Humor by Paceprint. I'm your host, Hansika Bhardwaj, and today we have someone with us who's just not a marketing maestro, but also one of the most fun and inspiring persons to work with, Mr. Parth Grover, Head of Marketing at Paceprint. So, to introduce, Parth brings extensive experience in digital marketing and the e commerce industry. From launching impactful campaigns across platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to driving phenomenal growth in click through rate and conversion rates, Parth is all about innovation and staying ahead of the curve. So, welcome to the show, Parth. So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, and thank you for having me here. And also, thanks for the great introduction as well.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So, since this is your first podcast,
Yeah.
so did you ever imagine that you would have a podcast of your own someday?
Yeah, I would. That's why we have started this. It's all about
Okay.
me, guys.
That's
That's
good
a
to
job.
know.
That's it's all about having a new initiative in the marketing. How we
Yeah.
can excel in the marketing, for how we can initiate new ideas, because that's the trend right now
Right.
in the teen as well as in in the market right now. Podcast is very hit right now, so that's why we're starting this initiative, and I hope it's going great.
Yeah, I hope to.
Yeah.
So let's dive into the real stuff now.
Yeah.
Okay, so with your vast experience in digital marketing, how would you describe yourself working in a startup?
So working in a startup is very great for the marketer because you have like lots of responsibilities to handle,
Absolutely.
and also a lot of free hands to do work.
Hmm.
Like we are now right now we are a startup and we are doing a
Absolutely.
podcast. It's not
Hmm.
easy
Hmm.
for a big company
Hmm.
to to not follow their legacy and go into something new. That's
Absolutely.
very difficult for the big ventures, and it's
Absolutely.
very possible for startups to work on great new ideas with the great trends. So in my thinking, having a free hand from your bosses are very good for the marketing, and that's
Absolutely.
what we are having here by SNN sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about the podcast, Hustle and Humor.
Yeah.
So what made you start this podcast? I mean, we are a fintech startup.
Yeah.
So people must be wondering that what is this marketing strategy जो आप कर रहे हो? So मतलब what is the idea behind this podcast? Because we don't see many of our competitors doing this very same thing.
Yeah.
So what made you do this podcast or think about it? And I mean, it's very unique also, and we've got pretty good response from it. So what was the idea behind it?
Yeah, so first of all, the podcasts are very in trend right now, as we all
Absolutely.
know. And also, I was also thinks about the first more advantage we have in this market, because I don't think so many of the competitors are doing it.
Yeah.
They are all into marketing like Facebook ads or Google ads or LinkedIn ads as well, but they are not doing out of door something. And we want to do something out of door. As suggested by my great
Absolutely.
team that you're a part of it, and
Grateful.
that's what we think that very important for us to do branding, which is called ATL marketing. It's called above the line. So
Okay.
that's very necessary for this, for the ATL as well as for BTL as well, for some
Okay.
extent as well. BTL is basically below the line marketing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from the time you have joined Paceprint, so how has the marketing improved here? So in earlier times and from the moment that you have joined, what is the growth so far? Like, did you see some positive results with the change in the team dynamics as well as the growth in terms of leads and otherwise?
Yeah, basically my like past experience was only in e-commerce, so there's no offline marketing I have done.
Okay.
I've done only online marketing. So Paceprint given me chance to participate in Global Print FX, which is very big, held at Mumbai, and I think that was a very great exposure for me as well as for the company to participate in Global Print Tech Fest, because there is very relevant audience for us. Like our visitors are very relevant to us to make leads and to make new connections, and also for the market research we have, like what big players are doing, like M2P and like stuff like that. What they are doing, what they have new products, how they're marketing it, how they are presenting themselves in the GFF, right?
Absolutely.
So these type of market research are very necessary for us to keep stay updated, which is very important for the marketing to stay updated with the trends. So that's, I think, very important for marketing, for the marketing perspective is very important. This also for the sales player as well, which is very great to participate in.
Right. So in such a short tenure, you have done so much right here in Paceprint, since we all know from podcasts to email marketing campaigns and everything.
Yeah.
But now I want to know what made you step into digital marketing? What made you choose this as a career?
So basically, I think it's a very fascinating. So basically, when I see ads on Instagram or Google, I just wonder how they appear ads like what I'm thinking or what I'm speaking
Okay.
or what I'm writing, how just at the appear at the right time. That's the very unique thing and very fascinating. That's very new era of digital marketing. So I just wonder
Absolutely.
why this happened. So I'm searching on YouTube that why it's happened. Basically, then from there I get to know about digital marketing. Also, one of my friend is in digital marketing, so
Okay.
I take a help of him that what is digital marketing, what is all about, how do we excel in it, and he helped me a lot to get into digital marketing as well. So yeah.
So he inspired you to choose this career
Yeah,
somehow.
basically, yeah, he inspired me because he's working in digital marketing since a long time.
Right. And what made you transition into the startup world? Since you already were getting such good offers from other companies.
Basically, I want to work in fintech.
Okay.
That's the one goal. And also, I've searched for placement, and it's a really good company to work in. I have searched for it, and also for the in working startup that I mentioned that we have great chance to work
Yeah.
on. Also, I want to know about how fintech companies do
Okay.
marketing and what they do basically, because you know that it's very difficult to understand fintech companies.
Absolutely,
Very
absolutely.
also the market is very niche. I want to work in niche marketing right now
Okay.
because in e-commerce there's a every audience is your audience, but in
Right.
marketing in fintech it's only a niche audience that you have to target. It's a B2B company, so very difficult to find audience, very difficult to generate quality leads, and yeah, that's why I want to take challenges, new challenges every day. That's why.
That's really good to
Yeah,
know.
also to stay updated with the trends, that how leads
Indeed.
are working, right?
Yeah, marketing has to somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's a fun one. If you had an unlimited budget for a marketing campaign,
Yeah.
what would you do?
So if I have unlimited budget, first of all, I spend a lot of budget in awareness,
Okay.
to let every people of the country to know that PaySprint exists and what they do and what we are offering and how we are doing everything about PaySprint.
Okay.
I spend a lot of money in awareness, then I go to the middle of the funnel, then go to the bottom of the funnel, and
Okay.
basically spend on that. Also spends on branding. We can do branding on TV ads as well. If you have no
Wow.
budget, we can do TV ads as
Absolutely.
well. We can do holdings as well, marketing holdings, which is part of offline marketing. We can do many of the events as well, holding conferences, right, in the 5-star hotels. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
plan to do reconnect with the industry, top industry players, and having to talk with them, sharing ideas as well, to let them know what they are thinking the future of this fintech marketing.
Wow.
Yeah.
I hope you get to do all of that you have
Yeah,
planned and
sure. I think
imagined.
PaySprint will excel and will do that.
We'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so now imagine this. If your brand had a Tinder profile, what would its bio say?
So PaySprint, you can connect with my API.
Connect with my API. Okay.
Very fast.
So,
Integration very fast.
okay.
Yeah.
So coming up with a viral idea or explaining
Coming up
to
with a
you.
wild idea.
Yeah. Okay. Just a question.
Yeah.
What's harder? Coming up with a viral idea or explaining to your boss why something didn't go viral? अब ये दो conflicting है.
Yeah.
So which one is harder? मतलब एक वो कि viral idea के बारे में coming up with a viral idea, and the second is कि ये viral क्यों नहीं गया?
Obviously viral क्यों नहीं गया?
Trend versus impact. मतलब trend है करना है, but impact वो हुआ नहीं. तो अब
obviously explain करना ज़्यादा hard part है boss को.
It is.
क्यों नहीं गया वायरल, डिस्पाइट ऑफ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. हमने टाइम पे पोस्ट किया, टाइम पे उस ट्रेंड को फॉलो किया, फिर भी वायरल नहीं किया. उसको एक्सप्लेन करना एक अनदर लेवल ऑफ टेंशन है जो हमें गो थ्रू करनी पड़ती है.
True. Okay, so has it ever happened to you that you poured your heart in a campaign and it flopped? Or on the flip side, something you barely worked on turned out to be a massive hit? मतलब ऐसा जो आपने अनएक्सपेक्टेड किया, it turned out to be so great, but जिसमें मेहनत की थी वो हुआ ही नहीं.
70% टाइम्स यही होता है कि आप कोई कैंपेन लगा रहे हो, कुछ नया टाइप का कैंपेन आया है या कुछ भी आया, आप वो लगा रहे हो, आप उस पे बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हो कि that it should be the new trend and it should go viral and your ad will get good amount of lead or sales, you can say. बट वो होता नहीं है. वो न्यू टाइप कैंपेन होता है, आप उस पर बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करते हो, वो नहीं होता, और जो आप नहीं कर रहे हो वो एकदम से हिट हो जाता है. तो यही मार्केट की वो है, आपको नॉलेज लेनी पड़ेगी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि मार्केट में चलने वाला है, प्रोडक्ट नहीं चलने वाला है, आपकी एड है वो नहीं चलने वाली, तो मार्केट बताएगी आपको कि वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं उसको नहीं कर रहे. वो मार्केट से आपको.
So it's about trial and testing. You never know which trend can work or कौन नहीं करता.
It's all about trying new initiative,
Hmm.
trying and testing new things. It's all about trying and testing. Marketing is all about trying and
Right.
testing. Yeah.
So कौन सा ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसकी आपने मार्केटिंग देखी है and you're really inspired by it and you want to include the same strategy for your fintech marketing as well?
So जो ब्रांड्स हैं, लाइक बिगर ब्रांड्स, इफ आई से, जो गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग करते हैं,
हाँ.
इफ यू नो अबाउट गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग, जो गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग करते हैं उसमें से नाइक,
Okay.
which is doing very best. Zomato आज के टाइम पे they are doing absolutely great
Absolutely.
because वो अपने फाउंडर की जो पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग है वो
Hmm.
बहुत अच्छी करते हैं.
Yeah.
Then the content marketing they have done is very great. Also उनके ऐप notifications that are very
Hmm.
very great. Also स्विगी भी अच्छे कर रहा है, बट स्विगी गोरिल्ला मार्केटिंग नहीं है.
Okay.
जो जोमेटो की है
Hmm.
वो हर ट्रेंड के अंदर अपना इनपुट देते हैं और
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा देते हैं कि बहुत उसको एक sarcasm में
Hmm.
as well as product से related देते हैं. So
Right.
that is very great to follow up and to look after what they are doing, to inspired by them, and we can initiate them in PaySpeed as well.
Yeah, so they're doing a lot of moment marketing. वो
Yeah.
एक दिखता है ना एक billboard पे अलग ही they
Yeah.
have these taglines by their copywriters जो
Yeah.
it is going every now and then.
Yeah.
So would you think कि हम ये same strategy use कर सकते हैं for our fintech in terms of marketing like Sprint Verify, Next या Open के लिए?
Yeah, for sure we can implement, and we are our next step is that we are doing that type of marketing over LinkedIn, and I hope so after some time over billboards as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. That's good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, so which marketing trend do you secretly wish would disappear already?
Marketing trend as in reels purpose or as in ads?
Yeah, anything.
Anything. Reels, जो reels हैं like जो cringe reels हैं वो जानी चाहिए अब.
Okay, so let's switch to some situational questions.
Okay.
And let's see how well you can answer.
Okay.
Okay, so the first is, if marketing were a reality show, what would be the first task to eliminate contestants?
Okay. So if there is a first task, it should be
Much later.
it should be to work late at nights.
So every marketer has their go-to buzzword in meetings. So
Yeah.
what's yours?
So it always be like फाड़ देंगे, ads फाड़ देंगे, creative आएगा तो फाड़ देगा मार्केट में, something
फाड़
like that,
दे-
फाड़ देंगे.
Okay.
बाकी वर्ड्स हैं like बीप 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 वो बोल नहीं सकते.
Beep, beep.
या वो ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड में मैं मीटिंग बोलूंगा सबके साथ.
Okay, so on a practical note, how do you coordinate with your team to get things done?
So it's not difficult task for me or maybe for anyone to get
Right.
coordinate with your team, because if your team is like your friend as well
Yeah.
as your your colleagues, so it's very easy. But if you are not on a great notes with your team, that's very difficult to work on, because always तुम गए उसके पास, then he says the time है, कुछ काम हो रहा है
Yeah.
मेरे पास, या फिर अभी ये कैसे होगा, या वो ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग ही नहीं करना बंद कर दिया, तो ये सब चीजें वो होगी. तो इसलिए टीम के साथ थोड़ा आउटिंग पे
Bond करना
जाना,
पड़ता
बॉन्ड
है.
पे जाना,
Yeah.
आउटिंग जाना, उनके साथ ही बैठना, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो हमारी टीम में है, आई थिंक
I think नहीं है.
आई थिंक या वी हैव.
Yeah.
सो दैट्स वेरी इजी. अगर आप उनसे बॉन्ड कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे तो दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बॉन्ड. जो हुआ है कुछ कंपनी मेरे साथ जहाँ बॉन्ड नहीं हुआ, मेरे मैनेजर्स थे उनके साथ मेरा बॉन्ड नहीं हुआ, या फिर मेरे कुलीग से बॉन्ड नहीं हुआ, तो होता है.
Okay, so continuing with that, जैसे आपके previous organizations में ऐसा हुआ होगा that the managers may not have been very supportive with your any of the decisions, या clash हुआ होगा
Right.
in terms of team dynamics or whatsoever. So how would you make sure in PaySprint की how is Parth Grover coming as a leader? मतलब वो कैसे अपनी leadership रख रहे हैं strategy ताकि वो अपनी team से काम निकलवा सके? So how
so
about
basically
that?
the main problem is the marketing is कि managers क्या करते हैं, being the marketing lead, उनको एक टीम को फ्री टाइम देना चाहिए, because it's a creative field. टाइम लगेगा. आप ऐसा नहीं है कि क्रिएटिव दिया इसको भी तैयार कर 15 मिनट में, ये नहीं हो सकता. You have to give them time कि आप उसको टाइम दो. कंटेंट लिखना है, जैसे आप कंटेंट लिखते हो, या फिर कोई क्रिएटिव डिजाइन कर रहा है, या फिर कोई एड डिजाइन कर रहा है, तो उसको बहुत क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग चाहिए कि वो कैसे रखेगा अपनी एड को, बिकॉज वही आगे परफॉर्म करनी है. उसमें बजट जाएगा हमारा, सब कुछ जाएगा, उस कंटेंट पे जाएगा, उस क्रिएटिव पे जाएगा, उस एड पे जाएगा. ये नहीं है सिर्फ एड पे जाएगा, एड बजट जाता है, वो क्रिएटिव बजट जा रहा है, वो कंटेंट पे बजट जा रहा है. तो उसको एक तो टाइम देना पड़ेगा. सेकंड, जो आइडियाज हैं वो सिर्फ लीड से नहीं आएंगे, आइडियाज आपकी टीम से भी आएंगे. वो वेरी न्यू आइडियाज होंगे, बिकॉज जो यंग एज है वो इंस्टाग्राम ज्यादा चला रही है, उसको ज्यादा पता है कि इंस्टा पे क्या चलने वाला है, उनको क्या पसंद आ रहा है। अब मुझे कुछ और पसंद आएगा, तुम्हें कुछ और आएगा, हमारी टीम को
Absolutely.
कुछ और आएगा, सबका फीडबैक किसको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, तब भी हम उसको एक मार्केटिंग लेवल पे ले जा सकते हैं कि ये सबका आया है, उसको हमने एक कंबाइन आइडिया कंबाइन किया, किसका एक आइडिया अच्छा लगा, उसको कंबाइन करके एक डिसीजन पहुंचे, तब जाके उस आइडिया को रखा। और जिसने आइडिया दिया है तो उसका आइडिया एक्सेप्ट करना, उसको अप्रिशिएट करना कि दैट योर आइडिया इज वर्किंग गुड एंड समथिंग। तो दैट्स द थिंग इन मार्केटिंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम दो, सेकंड आइडियाज एक्सेप्ट करो और उनको एंकरेज करो कि आइडियाज लाओ, नए नए आइडियाज लाओ, नए आइडियाज पे काम करो, इनिशिएटिव लाओ, कुछ नया इनिशिएटिव करो और कॉन्फिडेंस दो कि दैट यू कैन डू दिस। आई होप यू आई होप यू कैन डू दिस एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस, जस्ट गेट इट डन। तो एक टीम को सपोर्ट करो। I think that's how you can, go with a good team.
That's good to know. Just
Yeah.
not in words, but I've seen you.
Yeah.
I've seen you in
Yeah.
such a leadership जहाँ पे आप support कर रहे हो and you're keeping the environment very chill and also calm.
Yeah.
So I really appreciate that.
Thank
Not
you.
just for the theory, but for otherwise
Okay.
in terms of leadership.
Yeah.
Okay, and finally, Parth, before we wrap up, what's the
Yeah.
advice that you would like to give to someone who is starting their journey in marketing today?
Yeah, if you want to be in digital marketing or in marketing as well, so first of all, in first 5 years, just learn as much as you can, even more than 5 years, because marketing is all about learning new things every day, always. It's not going to stop. So you have to, you have to read articles, new articles by some of the great peoples out there. You have to see what marketing trend is going on, what new companies, big companies or big players or even short companies are doing for the marketing. You have to stay updated, reading articles. Also, just do not afraid to trying some new things in your performance marketing. Especially you have to try new ads, you have to try new type of content, new type of creatives जो मार्केट में नहीं एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, बट आप उसको लेके आओ, आप उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो, वो चलेगा। अगर आप कुछ नया लेके आओ वो चलेगा। एंड ऑल्सो स्टे अपडेटेड। अगर आप अपडेट नहीं रहोगे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में या मार्केटिंग में, तो बहुत जल्दी आपका करियर बिल्कुल स्टैग्नेंट हो जाएगा, ग्रोथ होगी नहीं। तो इफ यू वांट ग्रोथ, जस्ट ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स, देखो, लोगों को सीखो, लेकिन वो सेम चीज इंप्लीमेंट मत करो, कुछ अपने से डिफरेंट करो, कुछ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करो, कुछ नया लेके आओ मार्केट में, जिससे लोग देखें कि दैट योर ब्रांडिंग डूइंग समथिंग। Yeah, that's it.
All right, Parth, that was lovely. Thank you for the
Yeah.
advice.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for joining today with us.
Yeah, thank you
It's
for
been an
having me.
absolute pleasure having you, having
Yeah.
the director himself at Hustle and Humor at
Yeah,
Paceprint.
that's the idea, bro.
Yeah. Okay, your journey, insights, and
Yeah.
a dose of humor made it truly possible.
Thank
So
you.
thank you so much. And to our listeners, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Until next time, keep hustling, keep smiling, and remember, there's always a room of humor in hustle. Thank you, everyone.